Good morning, student. Welcome to St. Peter's School. Children, open your term book, page number 255, lesson number 8, living and non-living things. So first we see what is the natural things and what are the man-made things. Okay. First, as you have observed so many things, so like chair, table, water, the sun, human, plants, car, bus, and so on. Okay, are those things same? No, those are not a same. First of all, we see what are the man-made things and what are the natural things. Man-made things, it means some of the things are made by man are called man-made things, like chair, table, car, and bus. Understood? Again I repeated, man-made things. Some of the things are made by man. They called man-made things like chair, table, bus, car. And what are the natural things? Some of the things like water, sun, animals are given to us by nature. So they are called natural things. Again I repeated, what are the natural things? Some of the things like water, sun, animals are given to us by nature. So they are called natural thing. So now will move on the what is the living things and non-living things. Previous what we learned? Man-made things and natural things. Now come to the chapter living things and non-living things. Living things. Things which have be life in them are called living things. They can move, they can breathe, they can grow, and they can reproduce. What are the living things? Things which have life in them are called living things. They can move, they can breathe, they can grow, and they can reproduce. Okay, these things are called living things. And what are the non-living things? Things which do not have life in them, they are called non-living things, like chair, bus, tables, pen, pencil. These are non-living things. So children, come to the chapter. Look at the picture and make a list of living things and non-living things. So what we learned before this? We learned natural things, man-made things, living things and non-living things. So look at the picture and make a list of living and non-living things. The first one, living things. What do you see in this picture? Children's, what they doing? They are playing. So they are living things. So first write down children. CHILDREN, children. Write it. Next one. And what you see in this picture? Flowers. They are living things. They can grow. Okay. So FLOWER. Second one, flower. FLOWER. And next, what you see in this picture? Animals. You see in this picture animals? Yes. So what is third one? Animals. 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 Fourth, tree. Tree also living thing because they can grow. So TREES. Write it. Next. And what you see in this picture? In the pond? Yes. Fish. Fish also living things. So write down FISH. Fish. Fifth one done. 6. Crops. You see in this picture crops? Yes. Farmer what they doing? Growing crops in this picture. So write down crop. CROPS. Crops. Okay. And what do you see in this picture? Some birds are there? Yes. So write down birds. 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 And last one, eighth one is a farmer. Farmer, farmer. Again I repeat it. What are the living things? First write down children. Children, children. Second, flower. Flower, flower. Third, animals. Animals, animals. Fourth, trees. Trees, trees. Fifth, fish. Fish, fish. Six, crops. Crops, crops. Seven, birds, like birds, birds. And eighth, farmer. Farmer. Come to the next column, non-living things. So what do you see in this picture? Non-living things. First start, some homes. So what you have to write down? House. House, house. And what you, children are playing a ball. So non-living thing, ball. Ball, ball. Third, clouds. Clouds, clouds. And mountain. Mountain, mountain. Fifth, rocks. Rocks, rock. Six, pond. Pond, pond. Soil. Soil, soil. Write it. Yes. And last one is a plush. Ploush. Okay, again I repeat it. First what you have to write? House. 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 Done. Second, ball. These are non-living things. Understood? Ball, ball. Third, clouds. Clouds, clouds. Fourth, mountain. Mountain. Fifth, rocks. Rocks. Pond. Pond. Seven, soil. Soil. Plush. Plush. Next, observe your living room. Listen very carefully here. Observe your living room and make a list of living and non-living things. So what you see in your living room? Living things and non-living things. Identify this. So first, in your living room, you see flowers. Yes. So write down first one, flowers. 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 Done. And what you see when you're sitting in a living room with your parents? You are sitting with your parents. Yes. So second, write down parents. 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 Third, fish. Fish tank. Fish, tank. Fish tank. And kids. Kids. And next, write down money plant. Money, money plant. Plant, plant. Third, write down cat. Cat. Insects. 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 And last, write down lizard. 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 Again write down, observe the living room and make a list of living and non-living things. What you write in living things? Flowers, parents, fish tank, kids, money plant, cat, insects and lizard. Done. Come to the next column, non-living things. Non-living things like table, chair, television, sofa set, frame, window, clock, carpets. You see all of this in a living room. So write down non-living things first. Table, TALTABLE, table. Next, chair, CHAIR, chair. Third, write down television, TELEVISION, television. Fourth, write down sofa set, SOFASET, sofa set. Fifth, write down frame, FRAME, frame. Done. Sixth, write down window, WINDOW. Done. Next, write down clock, CLOCK, clock. And eighth, write down carpet, CARPET. Now children, here is your lesson is complete. Thank you. Have a nice day.